Now let's install the app on the mobile. Open up the Play Store or App Store and search for Biz Analyst. And then click on Install. Open up the app and click on Next. If you have not yet installed the desktop app on your PC, click on Sign Up to see the demo data. If you have already installed the desktop app, then click on Sign In. Enter the same ID and password you had created on the desktop app. You will see the list of companies you have added on the desktop app. Click on one of the companies to start viewing the data. It may take few minutes to download the data. You are all set to go now. Enjoy analyzing your data with Biz Analyst. We are happy to have you as our client. Thank you for watching the video. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a good day.